In North America, we do something with quotation marks that might seem illogical at first. A student of mine once called it a bit strange. Notice how in that last sentence, I placed the quotation mark after the period, even though my student only said the words, not the period. That's because in the North American style of punctuation, we always place quotation marks after periods and after commas. A student of mine once called it quotation mark, a bit strange, period, quotation mark. As with any convention, there's a reason for this, one that I find quite interesting. Speaking of discovery, I'm hoping to find the perfect place to tell you about this reason. Spring is my favorite time of year. Now here's the place I was looking for. When books were still set primarily by hand, each letter or punctuation mark was a piece of metal type that had to be set snugly in place. For example, here are some letters. Here are some double quotation marks. And here is a period and a comma. Notice how thin the type for the period or the comma is compared with the letters or the double quotation marks. When people would set type for quotations, they would put those thin pieces of type between the letters and the quotation marks to hold them more firmly in place so they wouldn't break. Even though we now set most books by computer, that's still the convention we follow in North American usage.